Rakshabandhan has truly evolved through the years, from big shiny flower Rakhis to elegant silk thread Rakhi, and at the present time the Photo Rakhi. Photo Rakhis are really special as it adds a personal touch to the celebration. Today I am going to show you 6 easy to make beautiful Photo Rakhi, which will cost you as low as 100 rupees and will add tons of love and emotion to the festival. So come on, let's get started. Here the photographs I am using are of the passport size and one size smaller, and I got this strip printed for ₹20. Then I went ahead and got some small caps to trace the frame I wanted, and the blue cap worked well for me. Then on a thick sheet I traced one with a bigger size and a smaller size cap as compared to the blue one. Then cut out such shapes. These will be the base. Now trace the photograph and cut it out. I wanted to make this one durable and waterproof, so I laminated it with thick plastic. You can totally skip this step if you want. Make sure your iron box is not very hot and press it only for 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful. When the plastic is soft and flexible, it is done. Now trim the sides and with hot glue stick this shape over the photograph. And for decorating the Rakhi, I am using 2 artificial chains which you can get from any small jewelry shop for 50 to 60 rupees each. The first chain I am using is diamond one. Cut one end with scissors and with help of fabric glue, stick it around the frame. Keep squeezing the gaps. Then I am using the gold beads one. And repeating the similar process. Then I went ahead and also added red threads to add pop of color by the same process. And then I made dhaga using some red thread and beads. Then find the middle point and stick the base. That's it. And this Rakhi is ready. After that I made a similar Rakhi with simpler steps. Here, instead of making the dhaga, I am using an inexpensive thread Rakhi. I simply remove the middle embellishment and use the side parts of the Rakhi. Making this Rakhi hardly took me 10 minutes. Moving on to the next. Here I am using Jewelry Essential cabochon tray pendant, which you can easily find at any craft store. Then I removed the loop. Here I am tracing the shape of the pendant over a sheet. Then using the cutout to trace the photograph. And here I have taken this picture because my youngest sister wanted her photo on the Rakhi. There is no rule. You can choose from any photographs you want. Then stick the photo with glue. And this is that easy to make. For dhaga I am using strands of green thread and pointing the end with the glue. Then I am inserting the thread into the small gaps and making a loop pattern. Simple and elegant. We all have at least one lifafa at home and I am using it here for the Rakhi. This beautiful part we are going to cut and of course remove the 1 rupee coin. Then shape the inner circle and trace the photo, cut and stick. I made a simple braid and 2 knot dhaga here. Stick it onto the back. This is also one cute design, but I went ahead and decorated it with pearl stickers. And it is done. And for next, I took glitter paper and I drew this bear face. Then cut it out and I chose this really cute photo and made it look like a frame. And for tying dhaga, I used blue threads and simply stuck pearl stickers over it. This is perfect for kids. And the last Rakhi I made from colorful feathers. I got this packet for 20 rupees. Steps are easy and same as previous one. Just trim and adjust the feathers. And this one turned out beautiful as well. Here I'm using bindis from a pack. You can make any design you want. Ask me any related question in the comment box. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.